Sanbonani and welcome back to my favorite segment where I read some of your interesting comments. I guess begege ukuthi abantu batheni after watching episode 20 of Uthando Nesithembu season 8. The first comment is from Uyvonne Uti. This is what happens when you involve kids in adult conversations before time. They end up going beyond the line, worse in front of people. And then usamkele uthi yazi yabhora iphathi angimboni no DJ and the MC is very boring. Ulwazi uti Usne is growing. I love that for her. And then Umomo uti this man exposed Umangwabe to the whole world, telling people how she has a bad heart. I never heard Umusa saying a good word about Umangwabe. So it's her time to go and leave him with his good-hearted wives. He's always complaining about Umangwabe every minute he gets. Usiyabangena uti this child irritates me, Joe. And then Umoteli uti same WhatsApp group with Usiyacela. This one, the difference is he's a toothless lion. Usiyacela is two-paid. Usindiz uti Umakhumalo just wanted to steal the show nje, but at least her and Umangwabe looked good for the event. Umacela just drew her eyebrows herself in that reflective apple green dress. No. Ulebogang uti I don't see why people don't see why he shouldn't be a little ticked off. If it was my dad's birthday, I would be too. He's sick and some of his wives disrespect him on national TV. One will feel some type of way. That's how Isthembu is. I've lived it, I know, and only people within it will get it. As a child in it, you will feel, but you can't address your stepmothers about it. It will always be that topic we have as kids unless our father makes us aware and wants issues addressed as a family. This is not weird or disrespectful at all. He doesn't mention anything, just his disappointment. Uti Vita uti I am glad because Umpumelelo was raised by both parents, because if he was raised only by his mom, people would be saying he's disrespectful because he did not have a father in his life. Macele's kids are very disciplined and well managed. UMessi ke yena ke uyamsupporta Umpumelelo bakithi uthi nje I love this boy, take over while daddy is still alive. Call them to order, my boy. You are the one that will protect your grandmother's legacy. Hayi ke sana, I don't know about this. Ngoba nje ngathi kuzoshuba nje once nje uMusa is gone. Yo sana, I don't agree with uMessi. Angazi indlela ibona kuMpumelelo thina singayiboni, but ke sothini. Ayanda uthi ivale mfana uthathe ngamawala iyakuhlula manje. Bengisathi ngizokubiza uzongihlanganisela esami isithembu kodwa we. Yo guys, and I've seen a lot of comments ngempela seeing Umseleko breaking down all the time. Abantu angazi sebeqalile ukumbuka ngelinye iso lokuthi mhlawumbe he's becoming weak and stuff, and it's just unfortunate ngoba nje hey bebembuka as this powerful man nje bemvuma manje sekuwumfana manje kubona hayi ngiyasaba isithembu guys. Utlogi uti oh Mseleko, I hope you're happy with the monster you've created. And then uhappy uti surely Uvuyokazi hates herself forever fighting for this loser. Yo Sada, let's not judge because Nati, all of us, or should I say most of us, have that one ex where we like, yo masumbone manje, or usuzwa nje izinto ngayo like yo ngangicabangani. So she's still young, it's just unfortunate to all of this unfolded on national TV. So but she will eventually forget everything that she went through nalomuntu. Ukitsa uti more like a P star than a lion. No wonder Umayeni went to Oshabeni and chose to be childless. No one can mentally survive Umusa and Umpumelelo's narcissism. And then Upriti uti this one thinks he has all the knowledge about being a man. He's too forward. I think he needs a few steps backwards to learn few things. He doesn't know his place as a child. And then Unkai uti too much pride. You are still young, my boy. Millicent uthi, the party was about his dad, not about him. Almost the entire speech he was talking about himself, not his dad. Even Abonge was asked to speak on behalf of the Mselegu's kids, but she spoke about herself. Hayi, kukhona okusantungwana lana. Ukhani uthi, I blame Umnini for being emotional. He would have talked some sense unlike his brother. I'm happy Umselegu can now see the damage he did to this boy. How Nkosi yami Umnini ublemilana Umnini bakithi. Yo, but I did feel like nje how bakithi kutshelwe uma lombhobhi ukuthi kube uyena ocomforta Umnini hawu wagxuma-ke kumpumelelo ngoba esebona ithuba lokuthi akhulumeke. uMangwabe knew exactly what she was doing when she didn't write igama lampumelelo kuyingane ezikhuluma because beyazi ukuthi uzokhuluma umbhedo nje. U-Athania uthi, if you are going to attribute all the sick behaviors to polygamy, then Umayeni failed her son by staying in this marriage and raising her son to this. There are many kids in this family born in different households, but they are well behaved. This boy is just full of himself and doesn't have respect, and he doesn't see anything wrong with what he's doing. And then you get Uthel Uti, is number 5 worth all of this? In my opinion, it's not worth it. At this point, I'm so sorry waste isikhathi sakho, but it nje angeke saqhubeka because uyabona inkinga ngikuyona. Ngiyayibona inkinga ngikuyona ngeke phela. Ngizothi ngife early rather nje asishiye nje la. You know, but that's just me ke. Uthike Uthel, he is Utim Mayeni all day, every day. And then get Umapri Uti, this man is heartbroken. These ladies are not making things easy for him. If I was him, I was gonna let go of number 5 and have peace. A wise lady Uti, Musa is really traumatizing his kids, Bagiti. Every day they will live in fear and be afraid to go live their lives because someone keeps telling them he's dying. Umangwabe is just bluffing again because this was shot last year, but even this year she's still living there at those yellow houses and Umusa is still part of her life. It's just for viewership. Then bese kwakhona abantu abanjengoSlindi laba vele bengiqede nje ukuthi why guys nithatha lezi zinto. How do you guys search for these things? So uSlindile found this picture angazikepi, which is proof ukuthi uMpumelelo did not just think nje out of thin air ukuthi he's the lion of this family. He was actually told by his father, and in this picture you can clearly see Umusa uthi, this boy is a fighter, he's as courageous as a lion. Futhi-ke uSlindile kunje ngumseleko omoshele ngane manje sekungathi umuntu uza akayikhuzi. U-Angela yena uthi, so number 5 who was watching 50th birthday kababakhe on TV just like the rest of us. Yabona-ke, this is why it's important to date someone on your age group ngoba you can challenge them mawukuthi khona izinto ongayi-understandi, and you also have the power to decline or disagree with izinto ongayiboni kahle. So now kule situation kaMseleku noMakhwela, she can't even get clarity ngezinto ezibalekile. For example, why did he ask her to come to Thanksgiving knowing ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi ngeke angene egcekeni because 1 akayena unkosikazi ophelele, secondly amakhosikazi awakabi right ngendaba yakhe ukuthi angene. Kodwa futhi manje he's not involving her kule birthday celebration of which iyona event ke appropriate ukuthi attend because akuhlatshwa lutho. It's just an event that anyone can attend, but now she's treated as this unknown sancinza. Yabona nje ekubeni I'm sure khona i-process esiqaliwe mhlawumbe useceliwe. She's not just anybody at this point. But nje it's just interesting, and I'm just wondering ukuthi how does she feel about all of this exclusion, and honestly ukuthi becabanga ukuthi kuzowenzakalani ngesikhathi ezongena, be-expect ukutreatwa kanjani. Kodwa nathi ave siyifake enkingeni, but guess sizothini, we just had to watch and see.